dawn where peacocks glide. Saffron paints the countryside. Marigolds dance bright and slow, like little suns in a golden glow. Grandma's scarf and temple flame, every shade has its own name. Wake up, children, sparrows cry. Saffron colors fill the sky. White moon over the Taj. White moon resting soft and high, floating in the midnight sky. Jasmine flowers smell so sweet, tiny stars at children's feet. Milk and silver cups so bright, fireflies blink through velvet night. Quiet dreams begin to play till the sun awakes the day. Green mango tree, green mangoes swinging low and wide. Parrots chirping side by side. Rice fields shimmer after rain, cool and fresh across the plain. Little frogs begin to sing, welcome, welcome, lovely spring. Leaves clap softly in the breeze, dancing through the banyan trees. Blue monsoon song. Blue monsoon clouds come rolling near, drumming music loud and clear. Paper boats go sailing fast, splashing puddles as they pass. River giggles full and wide, buffaloes walk side by side. Raindrops tap on every roof, like tiny dancers in a hoof. Pink Jaipur parade, pink Jaipur walls glow warm and bright. Camels wander left and right. Sweet jalebis twist and spin, sugary smiles tucked within. Children laugh in market lanes, kites fly high above the trains. Pink balloons float up all day, carrying happy songs away. Rainbow India. Red for bangles, blue for rain, green for fields of waving grain. Yellow turmeric, bright and bold, silver river shining gold. India twirls in every hue, it's songs for me and songs for you. Clap your hands and stamp your feet, every color makes life sweet.